This is Electric Universe Eyes, and today I'm going to narrate a post on Facebook by the Every When Project, posted March 3rd, 2020. Squatterman Petroglyph. What did the ancients see? There is growing evidence that the themes of ancient mythology were not works of imagination, but primitive humanity's attempt at describing a series of stupendous events happening in the solar system. This recurring image with its baffling lateral circles is commonly found everywhere on the planet, and it and the sun wheel glyph are the most frequently seen around the world. What ancient humans witnessed and memorialized in many petroglyphs and tribal origin legends could have been a spectacle of gigantic plasma discharges arcing between planetary bodies that may have moved in orbits different than the ones we measure today. Emanuel Velikovsky, associate of Albert Einstein, in his research on myth and catastrophe in his book Worlds in Collision, was the first modern writer to discuss the possibility that our corner of the galaxy was not as quiet and predictable as we see today. Ancient witnesses described the gods warring in the heavens, hurling thunderbolts, and sky-spanning discharge displays that reached Earth, causing much destruction. 99.9% of all matter in the universe is in the plasma state. That is, it is electrified and creates magnetic fields that shape the discharges in several distinct patterns. Anthony Peratt, Los Alamos National Laboratory, serving in the Applied Theoretical Physics Division, has experimentally reproduced and named several categories and stages of plasma discharge which show a remarkable similarity to what may have been seen by awestruck witnesses towering above Earth. Chief among Peratt's plasma configurations is a particular discharge pattern featuring stacked and inverted magnetically determined cup-shaped translucent discharge above and below a magnetic torus or donut shape. This linear discharge column, if viewed perpendicular to its discharge axis, is a perfect fit for the rock art stick figure known as the Squatterman, which would be an unremarkable human figure were it not for the uniqueness of its upraised arms, a pose seen also in many goddess figurines, but also for the strange, inexplicable circles or dots at either side. The everywhere aspect of this particular glyph pattern transcends time, bears a message for us in the present and for all humanity in the future. In this regard, Squatterman and the destructive events he symbolizes begins to occur in the every when of our ever-curious minds. The Temple of Every When is inspired by this revolutionary interpretation of myth and its many depictions to bring this record of our tumultuous human history into the modern world at Burning Man, itself an echo of the Great Fire and flood destruction of the Holocene extinction.